Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can buy with coins in Aliexpress. So in order to use your coin in Aliexpress, there are different purposes to use your coin. So I'm going to be showing you different ways on how you can do it. So then the first thing is you need to make sure that you're logged into your Aliexpress account. And once you're logged into your Aliexpress, it's going to take you to the home page that looks something like this. You can use the coin in order to exchange with coupons. So in order to do that procedure, tap the profile icon from the top and go to My Coins. Once you've done that, click My Coins. Once you've clicked on My Coins here, you can go ahead and enter coins or a point, or else you can simply exchange with coupons. So after you've done that, you might be able to receive or get a discount on certain items. And apart from it, you can also use it as a way of payment method. So during the checkout process, if the owner accepts a coupon or a coin, then you can simply redeem it, and after you've done that, you'll be able to get certain number of discounts on a particular items. So these were some of the ways to use coin on Aliexpress. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.